Setting the sun approaching for its
Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be making some slime-ish stuff. I don't know if it's going to really be slime, but I'm going to try. So first you're going to need soap. You're going to need water, which I have right here. You're only going to need like the tiniest amount of water. Then you need some food coloring. This is optional. And a cup that you don't mind being destroyed, because you will destroy it. I'm telling you that now. So first off, you want to get just a little bit of your soap. And I might be using this, because this is good. So I'm going to pour the whole thing, because I never use this. Yeah. Now you're going to find a Q-tip. I forgot to add that in the things you'll need list. And you're just going to check if it's a good consistency to be turned into slime. Actually, I forgot that you actually don't need water for this, or else it's not going to be slime. So, I have 3 colors, I think. I got red. Oh, we got another color. We got green. We got blue. Red, green, and blue. And then we also got yellow, which I just figured out. But I think I might do something easy. I'm going to do red. Just going to need a little bit. I can't even open it. So this is a little hard to open, but I guess we're going to use yellow because it was the easiest to open. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I just put 6 drops. I do not know why, but I feel like 6 drops is enough. Yeah. Now you're going to get a Q-tip. You're going to try, I'm saying try to mix it up. And it should change color. And if it doesn't change color, it's okay. Mine is being into a tinted yellow. But I'm thinking I might want to do blue now. Like, see? Like tinted yellow. Like, it also has like weird dots. This is now an over with Q-tip. And I might actually do blue now. This doesn't want to open either. So I am right now going to clean my hands off and dry them off completely, if I can. Try to open a different color than yellow. So apparently yellow right now is the only one I can really open. That's the one we're going to use. I just put quite a lot of drops in there. So yeah. Now, I'm just going to clean this up. So yeah, it's good. Now we're going to be done with the dye. And you can just take a little bit of this, start mixing it a little more. Now this is turning to a nice orangish color. You really want to mix it. So that's the color right now. And you're done. Then you want to put it into some kind of container. Something this already has some product. So now I'm going to slowly pour it into your container. Now you are done. You do not need this anymore. This is looking a little like an orange. You want to mix it just a little bit, and then you want to close it, and then you want to clean yourself and everything off. So instead of using a towel or something nice, you want to use, you know, like water and toilet paper and stuff like that. So I just got a little bit of my fingers. So now I'm gonna clean this off because it has a little bit of dye on it. And yeah. So I'm just gonna clean off it so it's not so sticky. And now I'm going to bring this to the kitchen. Sorry guys, my dogs are right now out of their cages. So I'm here now. I'll be right back when I put this in the freezer because I can't hold a bunch of things at once.